Upper forklift lower vertical sheet metal racks. Vertical sheet metal racks provide a clear overview of the material and easy access, mainly for accessing sheet metal remnants. With a compact design and drawers that can be pulled out directly for quick access to the required sheet metal. And the design of the upper forklift truck improves the efficiency of material stacking and access, suitable for high volume and high frequency storage needs. And if you focus on the whole storage and retrieval, then the lower level can consider the rollout sheet metal shelves through the mechanical hand cranking device. Easy to achieve the drawer pull out and push back, greatly reducing the physical burden of the operation and enhance the safety of the operation. The upper-level forklift design allows materials to be stacked and accessed quickly, greatly improving storage and access efficiency. Meanwhile, the use of vertical space for storage saves floor space and optimizes the overall layout of the warehouse. Forklift operation reduces the risk of manual handling and is able to handle materials of various sizes and weights, making it suitable for high-volume and high-frequency storage needs. Overall, our customized services provide our customers with the best possible solution for their unique storage and management needs.